Okay, this AI skills is relevant for educators from elementary all the way to university level. You can look at this example and then modify it for your own needs. So you can use any Gen AI app to do this activity. Um, in this example, I'm going to use Google Gemini. And the first thing you need to do is to type your prompt. Now, you need to include a persona or a role that you'll give to the AI to uh, play so that it will generate the right type of output for you. Okay, and you also need to include the reference or the documents that you're going to upload to uh, the AI app to refer to uh, generate the questions for you. So here I give the persona or role to the AI as it's telling the AI tool to act as a university lecturer. You're a university lecturer and you're planning to give a test to your students taking your computer network course at the University of Papua New Guinea. Now, this part of the prompt is very important because the AI will also use this particular part of the prompt to create a test that is suitable for university level. Otherwise, it will make up a test level that might not meet the standard of uh, the university that you are uh, teaching at. Okay, the next part of the prompt, you need to create a test that will assess their learning. You will use Bloom's taxonomy to help you to write your test questions. Now, educators they know that Bloom's taxonomy is very important in assessment and also planning your activities or writing your course materials. So that there is levels of uh, Bloom's taxonomy that you will create the questions. So by including this in the prompt, the AI tool will make sure that it creates different levels of questions that are various levels. Okay. Okay. The prompt goes on. The test will consist of 15 choice questions and 5 open-ended questions. Um, Provide a list of correct answers for you to mark the students' test papers. Okay. Refer to the documents attached here for reference. Okay. This one you're directing the AI to go to those two documents to help to uh, generate the right type of questions for your students. So I'm going to read the prompt again. You're a university lecturer. You're planning to give a test to your students taking your computer network course at the University of Papua New Guinea. You need to create a test that will assess their learning. You will use Bloom's taxonomy to help you to write your test questions. The test will consist of 15 choice questions and 5 open-ended questions. Provide a list of correct answers for you to mark the students' test papers. Refer to the documents attached here for reference. Now I'm going to upload two documents. One is the course module where the AI will use the course module to extract the content for the test. And the second document uh, is the Bloom's taxonomy that will help guide the AI to generate questions at various levels of learning. Okay, so I'm going to click on the plus icon here to upload those two documents. So I'm going to click on Files. Then I'll go to my cloud drive, Microsoft OneDrive. Okay. So here are the two PDF files. First one is Bloom's Taxonomy 2023. I'll select that. And second one is Computer Networks module. Then I'm going to click Open. Okay, and wait for the two files to be uploaded to Gemini. Okay, the two uploaded files are here. Okay, Bloom's Taxonomy and Computer Network modules, sorry. Okay, once this one is done, then I'm going to click on the Submit button here on the bottom right-hand side. So I'm going to click Submit and wait for the AI to create the questions for me. Okay. So it's still generating the questions and answers. Okay, we'll scroll up and down and check. Still going. Okay, okay, is the test questions generated by Gemini. Now you have the multiple choice questions. So read from the top. It's a sample test for the computer networks course using Bloom's taxonomy to guide the creation of questions. So according to my form, I asked for 15 choice items. So here we have the multiple choice items. The question one and the four choices here. Question two, you have the choices all the way to question 15. Okay. And then I asked for 5 open-ended questions here. So you can see the AI also provided answers to each of these questions. Okay. So I asked the AI to provide answers as well, the correct answers. Okay. Once you're satisfied with the questions and you're happy, then you can ask the AI to generate the questions using Microsoft Word, or you can simply copy the test. Okay. Copy the test using your mouse. Open the Word document. And paste the test questions into the new Word document. Now back to Gemini again. You can see the last part here that says this test includes a variety of questions that assess different levels of cognitive understanding, from basic recall to more complex comprehension and application of knowledge. So you can this will ensure that your students can be able to answer the questions because there are different types of students. Some will not understand some concepts. Some might not do very well. Some will be doing very well. So you try to uh, have a variety of questions at different levels of Bloom's taxonomy to cater for those various types of students. Okay. So back to the test that I pasted into Word document. Now you can see that the AI product provided the answer, so you make sure that you separate the correct answer from the test. Otherwise, you make a mistake and leave the correct answer there. Then the students will simply smile and write the correct answer down. So make sure you edit the test properly. Anything that you find that needs to be improved, you can do that in Microsoft Word. And you can format the test properly to meet your needs, including formatting the overall instruction at the beginning, and then the layout of the test, and so on. So this particular uh, Gen AI skill is relevant to all teachers, whether you're a kindergarten teacher or elementary school teacher, secondary school teacher, university or college lecturer. You can use this skill, but you modify the tests according to the level of your students or at your uh, the level of your institution, for example, university. So it's very important to state that clearly in the form. Otherwise, the AI will generate a test that is not at your level. Okay. So at the beginning, you state that one clearly in your form. Okay, I hope you find this activity and skill very useful, and I hope you'll enjoy using it in your school or in your institution when you're planning to give a test to your students. So using Gen AI will quickly save you a lot of time. So all you have to do is feed the AI with the right type of content to generate the questions, and your job is to check and edit the questions and answers to make sure that everything is correct. Okay, with that, thank you for watching.